3, 2, 1, full steam ahead.
All right, we have all 6 robots moving off of their line. That means that if each of them can score at least 1 coral in this match, that is each alliance scoring at least 1 coral in the autonomous period, they're going to get that autonomous ranking point. 3487 does succeed in scoring that L1 coral, which means the Blue Alliance will get that autonomous ranking point. We have their teammates, 3936 scoring on an L4, 9530 bringing up their elevator and going back over to the coral station. 3487 seems to be aiming to grab an algae off of the reef and score it up into the net for the Blue Alliance. We have on the Red Alliance team 1024 going over and grabbing a coral from the reef and scoring it on L4, which is worth 5 points. 9119 has a ground intake for algae, which is not as common, and they are going over and scoring it in the processor. 3487 attempting to score more algae into their net. 1024 scoring a coral onto L4, again worth 5 points. We have the goats over there grabbing a coral and scoring it. They have a wrist on their arm, which means they can score both on L1 and on the other 3 levels, L2, L3, L4, because they could go both vertical and horizontal with that coral. So they are built to do both. 3936 has a handoff inside their robot, so they have a funnel going down to their arm operated by an elevator. They are trying to get that coral up so that they can help their teammates score, and 3487 is scoring more algae into the net. We have 51 seconds left in this match, so blue is at 57 points and red is at 59. Now blue has gone up to 75 as they are scoring more algae, more coral. 9530 lining up for an L3 coral shot as 3487 takes the last piece of algae off of the reef, scoring it up into their net. 829 coming over to the barge zone at about 30 seconds left to ensure that they can get that climb. They have a mechanism that goes underneath the cage and scoops up under it and around it, and they are off the ground. 1024 clamping around the cage and also coming off the ground. So we have 2 red robots in the air, all 3 blue robots staying out to score, potentially trying to get that last RP and trying to win the match. We have 2 blue robots parked, 2 red robots hanging, and that's the end of qualification 83. We are going to have the red robots moving up in rank. 1024 holding steady on to that rank 4 position with 5 ranking points for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance, sorry. Blue not walking away empty-handed with that blue rank, with that autonomous ranking point. Congratulations to the Red Alliance.